Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to reject suspicious content messages on X, Twitter, on PC. So let's get started. Step 1. When you receive a suspicious content warning message, simply tap on the message to view it. This will allow you to see the full content of the message and determine if it is indeed suspicious. Step 2. If you have confirmed that the message is spam or suspicious, tap on the "This is spam" option to report it. By reporting the message as spam, you are helping to keep yourself and others safe from potentially harmful content. It's important to always be cautious when receiving messages from unknown sources or messages that seem too good to be true. By following these simple steps, you can help protect yourself and others from falling victim to scams or malicious content. Remember, your safety and security online should always be a top priority. Thank you for watching and stay safe out there.